First one for the pond, guys.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Gabe Feldman from the Florida Bass TV. We are here at the Lake Ida Canals right now. We are fishing for peacock bass, largemouth bass, clown knife fish, anything that bites basically. There's all kinds of other exotic stuff down here. We are using the Bass Pro little it's a sinking jerkbait. So small though, it's only a 1/16 of an ounce, and it's kind of hard to throw. Let me show you what I'm throwing it on. This is the 7-foot Assassin. They make a spinning rod and a casting rod. Definitely check that out in the description if you guys are interested. We are doing something a little bit different today. We are bringing this bucket fishing, and we're gonna try to catch some peacocks and bass and even clown knife fish, hopefully, and put them in this bucket and run them across the street back to my house and put them in the local pond. Hopefully, that's the goal at least. I really want to stock up this little pond that's in my neighborhood, and it's not that big, but that's the whole beauty of it. It only has Mayan cichlids in the whole pond. I fished it really well, and I couldn't catch anything but Mayans, and I don't want just Mayans. I want some big old peacocks and some largemouth, anything else like that. So hopefully that's what we're going to do today, get some largemouth in there, and hopefully some peacocks too, so we can go catch some big fish at home, not even have to go anywhere. Let's get at it, guys. Let's do some fishing and hopefully bring some fish back home. Stay tuned.
That one. Ooh. It's a little baby peacock. That's the first one for the pond, guys. We got a peacock in the pond already. First peacock for the pond. Let's go, guys. Can you stay there so I can catch a couple brothers and sisters for you? Just sit there for a few minutes. I'm gonna catch a couple more of you guys, and then I'm gonna bring you all back home, and you're gonna love it there because there's a lot of minnows. And no one else fishes for you except for me, so don't worry about it.
So the reason I picked the sinking jerkbait is because these fish are they're a little bit slower today. The water hasn't gotten enough time for it to fully heat up. It's a pretty hot day still out here in South Florida, but it hasn't heated the water up yet. So these fish are still a little bit slow, and that's why I picked kind of a finesse and kind of a slower presentation there with that jerkbait. So that's definitely what the peacocks like. They like a faster kind of a reaction strike as opposed to dragging a worm on the bottom. You'll probably not catch nearly as many peacocks. So peacocks are definitely more aggressive to faster moving baits.
Ooh, that's a nice one, guys. Ooh, nice fish. They like this bait, don't they? Ooh, that's another really nice one. Just like last week. Oh gosh, it's a really nice one. Oh my, that's my PB for sure. I'm gonna bring him back to the pond. Oh my god. That is a peacock, guys. Look at that. No, you are too big for this bucket. But just hold on a second. Okay. I'm gonna run this guy home. And literally, like, I'm less than a quarter mile away. So you'll see how fast it is. So, call me crazy, but I'm running across the street with a bucket full of fish. I just gotta run across the street. Alright. Gotta cross the street. We're here. Just gotta get to the pond. Alright. Anyways, guys, I sprinted back to the pond and I got the fish right here. You like this pond? Yeah? I think this guy likes it here already. He's trying to leave. Oh yeah. You wanna make some babies so I can catch them all? It's not a huge pond, but it's enough. Keep them. I think you'll do alright. Are you gonna swim off? Or you need me to put you back in the canal? No, I'll just put you back in the canal. You can't handle this pond. You can't handle this pond. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, you can't handle it? You can? Alright. There he goes. Well, I guess 2 peacocks for this whole pond is not a lot, but it adds up when they're the only 2 peacocks in this pond. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Caught some pigs, got some pigs in the pond, and I'm really excited to go, just keep stalking it until there's a ton of fish in there and we can just catch them one after the other, and that'll be really, really fun. So that's the goal eventually, but it's got a little ways to go, but we got a 4-pound peacock in there. So first ever peacocks to go in that pond, so it's still a big deal. There's plenty of minnows in there, but next time I'm gonna focus on trying to get some bait fish. I'm gonna try to catch some bluegill, some shad, and bring them back to the pond and just have some bait fish in the pond. That's probably the most important thing. Make sure those peacocks have something to eat, because they're not gonna get big unless they eat. So that's the next video. Until then, check out the Cast King channel as well. They've got all kinds of awesome videos using these reels and all kinds of other reels. You got saltwater stuff, fly fishing stuff, bass fishing stuff, anything. So definitely check that out if you guys are interested. Check out the links below if you guys want to buy any braid or buy the rods and reels as well. So appreciate you guys for watching, and you stay tuned until next time. Keep on fishing, guys.